Maddie? No, get down please. Mornings are a little chaotic in our house trying to get all 3 kids ready and out the door, but I wanted to do a little update here. So sitting at 10 weeks out, like I mentioned before, I am doing figure. So this is just the figure posing and how my physique is looking this week with my check-in. And I'm also doing wellness, so I'll show you that here in just a moment. But for figure, I'm looking relatively good. My only issue, like my problem area, is always my waist. I need to bring my waist in. I need to do more vacuums to really try and practice drawing the belly in. Just after having 3 kids, it can be a little tricky, but it is coming. The only problem is too, when you get to finals, you have to do your posing later at night, and by the end of the day my muscles are pretty fatigued as it is. So anyways, this is wellness here. Definitely need, this looks more like a bikini back pose, so I need to work on it a little bit more, make it more wellness, and I need to definitely practice my posing. Wellness posing just does not feel natural to me like figure does, but it is slowly coming here. All right guys, kids are at daycare now, so this is my day where I get to clean the house, do all the things that I cannot get to when I have the kids, especially the boys. They're just into everything right now. So we have quite a bit of stuff to do around here. As you can see, it's kind of a mess. We've got stuff everywhere. So I need to clean. I've got laundry to do. I need to get downstairs because I can't go down there when I have the kids right now. It's still not really done, but the kids' room is done. So I want to give it, because it's got all that construction dust on it. So I need to get that all cleaned up and give it a good dust vacuum mop, and also get my meal 2 coming up here very soon. I'm really excited about this. I don't know why this is like my favorite meal of the day. So I can share that with you. I really enjoy it and love it. It's like a nice little treat. So I also do need to go grocery shopping today. So usually I do that in the morning, just because we do live in a tourist town. In the summer, it gets really busy. So I don't know. I just don't really feel like doing that right now. I'm really tired. I am currently 10 weeks out, starting to really feel it. Like I just feel tired. I'm very depleted. My weight it hasn't quite been linear, but it is going down, and then it'll kind of like go up and down, but it's mostly going down. So I know I'm in a deficit. I know what I'm doing is working, but I feel it. But I'm not complaining because I know I choose to do this. So anywho, at least things are moving along. It's like, I think I've heard from other people, like, who is it? Chris Bumstead. He's a big bodybuilder. He said, like, usually the crappier I feel, the better I'm gonna look. So anyways, we'll see. We will see. Cardio's done though. Got to do my workout. We've got a lot to do. We better stop yakking and get to it. Okay, meal 2. I've got some ice in here. So all I do is ice. I use some sort of unsweetened almond milk or cashew milk. I actually prefer cashew milk, but we'll do almond milk because that's what we've got today. And I mix this with the PBL Ice Mocha Cappuccino flavor. Perfect Sports is usually what I use. They do have iced, I don't know if it says ice, but it's like a mocha one as well. So you use... So remember this morning when the kids were banging these around, and I showed you guys clips of them. This is what drives me crazy. They take them out of the cupboard, and then there goes my scoop. Hang on, I feel it. So 1 scoop of the whey protein. I also use usually I use the Starbucks, but they had this one on sale, so iced coffee. And I don't want to put too much in. I've already had enough caffeine, and I'd like to save some caffeine for my pre-workout because I'm definitely going to need it today. And then like this, I don't know, this is just such a good little treat. You can also blend it up if you want, but I usually just give it a nice little shake. So I'm gonna have that. I also, because today's a higher carb day, so I get 75 grams of fruit. So I think what I'm gonna do is some blueberries here, just because I'm starting to feel really tired, kind of depleted. I wanna make sure I'm getting antioxidants in where I can. So making sure, like this morning I had kiwi, which kiwi actually has more vitamin C in than an orange does. So
I really like. I gave some to the boys too. I was just saying, because September is around the corner, right? So I was like, yes, we're definitely gonna have to like amp up their vitamin C and all that kind of stuff, because if I can prevent them from getting sick, we will. So 75 grams of that. And then I also get 2 rice cakes. So I'm gonna do a plain rice cake. Technically, I'm probably supposed to just do plain or popcorn because they're like the lower calorie ones. But I'm gonna have a caramel chocolate chip one too. So I'm gonna have, so I kind of like in my brain, I'm like, okay, if I have one plain one and then I have one chocolate one, it's all good. And then I'm gonna put so I get 16 grams of a nut butter. So I'm gonna use the mixed nut butter with seeds here from Costco. So a little trick here, when you're measuring out your peanut butter, I used to always use the, you know, like you use a spoon and then plop it on, but I don't know if you have, and maybe you already do this, but if you don't, if you actually put the jar on top and just set it there, so I've got 0 here, and then you take the spoon out and then you put it on. So then that way, whatever you have on that spoon, that's your 16 grams, whether you lick the spoon, whatever, which you're gonna lick the spoon if you've already taken it out, and that's what your 16 grams is. There is my, so there's no messing around, there's no getting extra fat in there, because that can easily happen, but this is just such a good way of doing it. I never used to do it this way, so if you want, there's your little tip for today. So I also do have a little bit of work to do, so I'm gonna kind of just sit and eat that. So also, if I'm not doing this and instead of doing the blueberries, eating them, if I'm in a hurry, I will make a shake. Right now, I'm really into mangoes. Mangoes are so good, frozen mangoes in a smoothie, delicious. So I'm gonna have this, get my work done, and then I'll hopefully have some energy to get stuff done around the house and get my workout in, and somehow get to town and do all of this shopping.
This rice cooker is a game changer. We will talk more about this here shortly when I get back from shopping, but I used to always use a pot, and it used to always stick. It used to always boil over, but if you're someone in prep, this is almost a must. I ended up going to Walmart just because they have the best price on berries. The kids love their berries and eat so many, and it's just so expensive right now at other stores.
Home now from shopping, so hungry. Sorry, I don't remember where everything is in this house still, which is ridiculous, but anyways, I don't normally let myself get this hungry. I'm like starving. Usually I pack stuff with me, but I wasn't expecting to be so long, but it was so busy in town. But I wanted to show you guys this. So, sorry, I should have heated up my chicken, but I have my rice cooker. I know I have showed this before on probably older videos, but a friend got me onto rice cookers because in prep, you eat a lot of rice just because it's easily digested for most people. And it makes the best rice. It's just so nice and fluffy. I get, oh darn, I don't remember. I think it's 120 grams. I'll double check that. We'll do 188. So I get a little bit more today. I'm just gonna do 100 because I'm gonna double check that. It's like, and I'm gonna melt my coconut oil for my fat in here. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did earlier where, sorry, I just bought this. It's really tight. Just want to eat. I mentioned this in one of the other videos. If you melt coconut oil on top of rice with some Himalayan salt and your chicken, it is so delicious. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do it the same way. So I get, you know what? I don't remember. I gotta check. I just want to show you guys this. Like, it just makes it so perfect. So I just checked. I get 5 grams. Oh, I'm so hungry, I can't think. 5 grams of coconut oil. So I'll do the same thing we did earlier. 5, boom, done. Okay, and I'm gonna heat this up a little bit more. This does, so after it cooks, so it says 1 because it's been warming, keeping it warm for 1 hour. So that's what that's about. But I want this to melt a little bit more. So that's that. And then I'm so hungry, I don't care about taking the time to cook veggies. So I'm just gonna cut up some cucumber. So it is already 12:30, so I'm gonna eat this and get some stuff done. I swear, days without the kids never go as planned. So HVAC is here now. Anyways, they're working on that, which is fine, it's great, but hopefully they're not. It's just they have to go through the gym and I still need to get my workout in. But I'm just on my way down to pick up garbage because somebody did not put the lid on the garbage and there's a bunch of crows ripping up the garbage. But anyways, doesn't matter. Got my groceries done. I feel like I'm always at the grocery store. Like, groceries are so bloody expensive right now. Like it happened for a while, but I'm sure you guys can feel me and relate to me on this one. It's just like, and I feel like it's not like I just do one grocery shop a week. Like, I'm there like a couple times. Like, Maddie and I were just there on Saturday and today's Thursday. Anyways, I'm gonna pick up this garbage and then go start cleaning up and let my lunch digest and get my workout in. The HVAC guys have finally left. It's 2:35, so I might actually do for my next meal, but this is a lesson learned. Maybe just get it done in the morning. I wasn't expecting them to come though, so I didn't know, but we do have quite a bit of stuff still to be done in the house, especially downstairs. So some weeks we have the builders here and they're working downstairs. Like the beginning of this week, they were doing the flooring and stuff. So anyways, still early enough. Well, it's gonna be early enough for me to take a little bit of pre-workout, and I'm probably gonna have a little snack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break my meal 4 kind of in half. I'm gonna have a little bit now because I don't wanna have all of it right now, and then I'll have the rest of it post-workout because an hour after that will be dinner time. So time to pick up kids and make sure we have dinner ready. Usually I try and prep stuff before I pick them up so it's kind of somewhat ready. I'm not really feeling this whatsoever right now. It's just not, I don't know, I hate when I have a plan and then the whole day gets thrown off. So I'm gonna have a little snack, let it digest just a little bit. Even if I'm in the gym by 3, I want to finish. I started cleaning our floors and stuff, so I want to do those because this is the only time I can really do them is when the kids aren't home, because they just, they don't understand to stay off wet floors, and I don't want them slipping and falling. And it needs to be done because kids are messy. Dogs are messy. Kids are messy. Husbands are messy. All right, it's just after 3, gonna head downstairs, get my workout in. I'm not gonna bother recording any of it because it is just after 3, like I said, and I gotta get it done, just kind of push hard and get it done. I've got all 3 kids home tomorrow. I'm gonna end this vlog out here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or wanna see something specific about my prep or kids or anything like that, please comment below and let me know. Take care, guys. Bye, everyone.